There's a quiet shift happening in lawn care right now, and if you've been holding onto a gas mower, you might be missing out on something far more refined. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a close, unbiased look at the Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower kit, bundled with both a 7.5Ah battery and an additional 5.0Ah battery. This is a premium cordless electric mower designed for homeowners who want the power of gas, without the maintenance, noise, or emissions. If you maintain a small to medium-sized lawn and value convenience, consistency, and long-term usability, this product is directly relevant to you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower kit. One of the most compelling advantages here is the balance between power and convenience. The 56 volts arc lithium system delivers performance that closely rivals traditional gas mowers, yet eliminates fuel mixing, pull cords, and engine servicing. In real-world use, that translates to a smoother, more predictable ownership experience. You simply press a button and start mowing, which makes routine lawn care significantly less of a chore. The dual battery bundle meaningfully extends usability, with the included 7.5Ah battery offering up to 60 minutes of runtime and the additional 5.0Ah battery acting as a backup. You gain flexibility for larger lawns or multi-session mowing. The 550-watt rapid charger restores the main battery in about an hour, which is efficient enough to keep your workflow uninterrupted. This kind of runtime management adds genuine long-term value. Ego's Select Cut multi-blade system is a thoughtful design feature that improves cutting performance. Instead of a one-size-fits-all blade, you can choose between mulching, bagging, or extended runtime blades depending on your lawn condition. Combined with 8 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1 to 4 inches, it allows for precise, tailored results across different seasons and grass types. The touch-drive self-propelled technology is another standout. Rather than fixed-speed propulsion, it gives you intuitive, hand-controlled speed adjustment directly from the handle. This feels more natural during use, especially on uneven terrain or slopes. Over time, it reduces fatigue and makes the mowing experience feel controlled rather than mechanical. From a long-term ownership perspective, this mower is designed with durability and ecosystem compatibility in mind. It comes with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, which adds reassurance. It's also compatible with all Ego 56-volt batteries, meaning future upgrades or replacements remain straightforward. It's no surprise this model is trusted by many 5-star reviewers who prioritize reliability and ease of use. Final verdict: the Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled mower is a well-rounded, premium option that successfully replaces gas for most residential users. It offers strong performance, flexible runtime, and a refined user experience that feels modern without being complicated. That said, it may not be ideal for very large properties requiring extended continuous runtime, or for those who prefer the raw endurance of gas-powered equipment without battery management. But for the majority of homeowners, especially those transitioning to electric tools, it represents a confident step forward. If you're looking for a cleaner, quieter, and more controlled mowing experience, this is a product that earns serious consideration. Take a moment to explore it through the link below and decide if it aligns with the way you want to maintain your lawn.